overdose and not.
I'm YouTube vlogger Charlie Pinto. I was a world and Philippine history teacher. Since 2010, my passion is traveling. I've been in some Asian countries and 81 provinces from Cagayan Valley to Sulu and Tawi-Tawi. Several times ko nang napuntahan ang karamihang lalawigan ng Pilipinas. Mas enjoy kong barko ang sasakyan ko, lalo kong tugo. Magkaroon ka ng bagong kakilala. Tara na, join me to my travel and tourism vlogs. Aking channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Salamat po, Yamanak. Dito nakabili na ng ticket going to Manila. Pero merong connecting flight pa Iloilo today, December 4. Dito na tayo sa airport ng Naguindingan.
Once again po, boarding group number 1, seniors, PWD, regular bata, bookies, yun na po muna yung mag-board.
Boarding pass. Boarding pass.
Wala naman po sa budget. I know how it works usually if it's sa
Hi, good afternoon po.
Kung kailangan ninyo ang aming tulong, huwag po kayong mag-abiling kami ay tawagin. Do not wish to perform the functions described in case of an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you.
Hi, good afternoon.
Sa mga panahon nakaupo sa exit room, basahin po lamang ang passenger greeting card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi ninyo magagampanan ang mga panahon ng exit room, ipagbigay alam sa inyong card sa mga sandali nito.
Hello everyone, and good afternoon.
To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose ends. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to remove air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin.
The flight deck and the cabin crew. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated. Please do not require further assistance or clarifications on these important measures. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey, and once again, thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Del Rosario Jr. sa tulong ni unang opisyal Jorio Joseph Cruz. Tayo po ay lilipad ng mahigit kumulang 40 minuto. It's provided with a seatbelt to fasten push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end to unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free ends to release. We are about to take off. Please straighten off your seats. Fasten.
Yan ang huling masakyan ko, Cebu Pacific from Iloilo Airport to Manila Airport. Connecting flight. tayo ng Cebu Pacific connecting flight.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the storage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency
Once again, we request everyone
Iloilo
to carry
Airport.
all loose items, especially hard objects such as glass, solvers, and electricity power outlets, at iwasan po pag-charge ng inyong mga portable electronic devices sa mga oras na ito. Maraming salamat po.
Namin